Baby, please don't go.
No, Andy. You sang it when the YouTube turned on.
Wow, you're
When
not
I turned
about to
on the
sing.
mic.
Timing is impeccable, man.
Yeah, it was exactly when I turned on the mic.
I'm in the mood to sing, but I'm not allowed.
Yes, cannot.
Can you hear my music in the background?
No.
Should I put it louder?
No. Bruh.
DJ flipping. Okay, went in.
Ready?
Yeah. 0.01.
I still think this will fall. Your stop loss above this candle, is it, Andy?
Hmm?
Your stop loss is above this?
No, I'm not in.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Because I missed this. Yeah, Tiago, I put it there because I know people ask. Every time there's a move like this, people always ask, so I put it there before the stream. No, I didn't. Yeah, so I missed this because I was watching the spread jump just now and then boop. By the time I saw the candle and I was waiting to get in, the candle was here. So I didn't chase it. So now if this one can form again, maybe I'll consider.
Oh.
Hey, never chase. This is why you don't chase the trade down. Sweat. Yeah, I'll wait to see if another, because this is London Open. We're coming into London Open. If this shit goes back inside for some stupid reason, the shots are all going to be wailing. Maybe Boris will reply you only after he enters the trade, Andy.
After what?
After he enters the trade. No, you DM Boris and say, please lock down UK again. Thanks.
What the fuck?
You see the pound drop to the floor. Andy, just now you say what? 146, is it?
146, 500, 600 actually.
Monster swing. 146. Okay. Monthly. But which way did you pull it?
From here to here.
Not the current one. Like, how come you don't use the current one?
No, it was just because I think this is gonna be, if we keep dropping, I think this is gonna be
This will
broken.
break. Yeah. Wait, let me see. Let me put back my sign. Everyone's very excited by the big move. Okay. Yep. Let's go. Look at this candle. Nice. This thing has momentum to come down. So if you feel that this thing is coming down, you will sell when this resistance happens.
Are you gonna sell it?
Let's try your style. I only did small only. 0.5. Sell at the earlier flip. Because this is lower high.
Are you in already?
Yes. But only at half position. Because I'm still trying to test. Bro, this one need guts, bro. It's very usually I'll wait for this to close, right? But the thing is, if this closes here, because now there is momentum, right? Then bye bye. I miss again. Mayday. This is why I use small. I'll stack it as it comes down. Let me see. Why? Momo? Momentum?
Yeah.
I see what you see. If you know, you know. Confidence. This is the retest. This is the retrace already. How should I note this so that people do not misunderstand? Okay, never mind. Later then I make notes myself. And the broke. Nice. Yeah, this was the one that I missed, Nadim, earlier. So on the 1 hour, I saw that price made a huge wick and then broke this. But like I said just now, it was my spreads were weirdly high. So I waited, and then by the time I waited, the candle was half. So missed it.
Bro, I'm being attacked in the stream.
Where? On that thing? And they can hear your music, yeah? Bruh. What did you do?
In our trade breakdowns, right? So just try to, and then we can take a
Ricky
look
is
and
used
see
to be
what's
on
going
my
on.
stream.
The Kulak is here, what the fuck?
Ricky used to be on my stream. She's okay lah. This girl is really okay, Andy. Don't kacau her. Plus, you every time use the same tagline, they know it's you already. You must change your name.
No, I cannot change my name again.
Oh, oh yeah.
They don't allow
Tradingview
me.
cannot. Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Oh, it's like suddenly the momentum disappeared. Hello, hello, GJ. Are you awake? Like suddenly pause.
I'm afraid it's too low though.
Yeah. That's why I went half
Why?
race. It's like suddenly no more momentum. What the shit. Maybe it's this minor news. I don't know. Just a temporary pause.
It's
No, swimmers
like
is not.
not
I took
regular GJ.
I took it based on something that I've been working on with Andy. That's why I didn't call it out.
So there I go. No music, right?
No, don't have. Yeah, I didn't call it out because it's something I'm working on. If I lose, then yes, it looks like I sold at the bottom and everyone's gonna laugh at me. Yeah, don't take this, yeah, it's something I'm testing, that's why I didn't call it out. If you don't understand it, don't take it. Just wait for the resistance to form first, then you take it. I just put a note here. Maybe I shouldn't put my trade. But people will misunderstand because they don't understand. Okay, never mind. I will not put this. Actually, you know what? Never mind. That doesn't matter.
I'm actually waiting for the Freaky Friday reversal.
Ooh. Tonight, New York, probably. If it reverses tonight, it'll be damn disgusting.
I don't think it's gonna reverse before 4 hours. Before 4 hour close.
Tonight? As in during New York?
Yeah. Like in the next 2 hours, probably.
But I can hear your fan.
Sorry.
And this are a bit dangerous city. Dang dang dang.
Yeah, the buyer momentum is coming in slowly, eating
Yeah.
into the candles.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was a bit too low though.
Yeah. That's why I went like tiny risk.
Yeah. Because
Broke the high already.
Yeah. 0.01.5.
Yeah. I went in super tiny to test.
Because in 1 hour, if you want to sell the so much space above,
Yeah.
bit scary.
Yeah, this area here, right? You will feel you might take this area first, then come down again. Oops. It the loss. Hey Danny. I took a small loss. Let me save this so that
'Don't sell anything yet because the buyers came in already.
I have to wait for it to retrace
Yeah,
first.
show weakness. Yeah.
Turn around again. Yeah. Giant, if you want to, I didn't look at the 5 minute for it. But yes, that if you are looking at this area here, right? Break, retest this one here. Yeah, you could explain it that way also, but I didn't look at the 5 minute for it. But right now, if you are on the 5, it's breaking. This is a pullback. So you just gotta wait for another lower high. As long as it doesn't break this area, right? Sales are still valid. This thing go back up above the range. GJ is really playing. Maybe you'll do this. And this, you know, just now the video that I was watching, the guy was talking about the Wyckoff. Oh, so many code word, blah blah blah. This is the spring. Bruh,
Bro, it was tough.
this is the spring. Look like, right? The structure.
I don't even know what spring is.
I also don't know. But I know in Wyckoff there is a spring. But after spring I don't know fly where. Cause I
think winter.
I think after spring is summer.
oh maybe fly up, I think. Where's the spring? There, the spring. This thing. Now, those people, this area. Oh no, Andy is going up. We're screwed. Shit. I'm short biased today, everybody. So I'm just waiting for another lower high, then I'll look for sells again. Revenge, Andy, 6%.
Do it.
Do it. Full margin until the account gives you that prompt.
Well, deposit again. I'm ready. Trying. Dodgy, dodgy.
Not bad. Filled the candle nicely. But really going to rain really. Just now we were saying damn hot, then now going to rain. Oh, my candle get. The storm is coming.
Careful, buy momentum still quite strong.
Mm. Yeah, I won't sell this yet. It's not ready. We'll fill this some part of the 1 hour wick. As long as it doesn't break this wick, I'm still staying short bias. So if it comes up, creates the wick, then come back down, still got a chance to short. But if it breaks this wick, then it's going to range inside here, and then maybe it will break up deeper before coming down. My entry was based on something else that I was testing, that's why I didn't call it out TT lay. But like I said earlier, it was low because there was this space here to be filled. So I understood that. And it was not an impulse entry. I do not take those. Impulse entry on the 30-minute would be here. That's even worse. It wasn't an impulse entry. Mismanagement. Yeah, Harsha, I think if you're scalping this, then yes, your entry and your trade management was good because you traded the breakout candle, right? It was an aggressive breakout. Trades are always aggressive, so at least you used the structure here, you didn't squeeze it here. So I think that was what you did quite well, because normally people would squeeze the stop loss above this wick. So that's a bit too tight. I think this structure is more conservative, is a bit safer. So on gold, I'm looking for buys still. I want to see if price can hold this 1745 previous resistance level and form some kind of, and for the bearish momentum to slow down first. So now it's still very bearish. I'm not going to buy this yet. So when it starts to slow down from bullish signals, then I'll take it long. But I'm long bias on gold. Do I know about LCG broker? Nope. But since I'm waiting, let's see. London Capital Group. Is it? Why do they not really have a website? Is it this? Wow. If your minimum spread is 1 pip on EU, right? Don't bother with this broker. You can get cheaper elsewhere. 0. This is the benchmark that I use. That I don't bother. Like, I don't know about their service or whatever else. Cost is the most important, right? If you're trying to day trade, at least. If this minimum spread 1, nah, forget it. The broker website. I saw there's 2 things I saw about it, right? That I was like, if you're a big enough broker and you're regulated, usually you'll have as many platforms as possible, and usually you'll be able to get MT5 platform also. That's just what I've noticed personally, and that EU thing was a big no-no for me. So I don't even bother looking at the rest of the pairs really. Because if they can't even give you 0 on EU, right, don't bother. That's my 2 cents. But if you need more info about other brokers, you can go and check out the link in my YouTube description. Yeah, even if you swing, why should you have to pay them? They're already earning your commission and your swaps. Nah, no point. Is cashback still working for me on Pepperstone? Yeah. It still is. You wanna email them and check? Mine I changed it to Bahamas, so maybe it's an Australian thing like you said. Can you buy GJ? Shit, why so lag? I wouldn't buy it yet, but it's your choice because I don't know how far you're buying it for. 5 pips? 20 pips? So I cannot say. Are you scalping this? There is no buys from what I can see. GJ is doing lower lows, lower highs, low, 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 low. This is sells for now. If you buy, if you want to trade buys, right, at least wait for this resistance to break at least. Because if you trade from here, you hit this resistance here, and then it might reject and come down since the overall trend is bearish. If you really want to buy and try your luck, wait for this to break at least, then at least only aim for this immediate area. It's a lot safer if you want to scalp like that. That's my 2 cents. Yeah, or if you want to buy this, then it is on the daily it is a 78 fit level, which if you are long bias it should not break below it. So if that's your viewpoint, then yeah, you want to try and buy from here, then you could, but I'm just saying the overall trend is still very bearish. Yeah, extra forex. If you want us to thank you, you gotta send it with a chart. If not, that means nothing, the price. That's why I deleted the message.
Private.
Yeah, Aiden. He started drilling again. I found out where the neighbor lives in. It's 4 floors down.
Put bomb on them.
Huh?
Nothing.
I am not concerned that it is a engulfing blue bar. Based on what time frame, and why would I be concerned? The 1 hour, firstly 1 hour has not closed, so there's no information I can gather from this 1 hour candle. Secondly, I haven't entered anything. I want to take shots, but if this 1 hour closes, so like what I was saying just now, I think you weren't back here yet. For me, as long as the 1 hour doesn't break this previous 1 hour high, right, the shots are still valid. My short idea is still valid, so yeah, I still have quite a bit of time. Pepperstone is not available in your country. How about Pepperstone Bahamas, is it? Because Pepperstone has many branches. No, background noise is from me. Let's see, extra forex. Divergence, breakout, okay.
Andy, listen.
What's that? Washing machine? Dryer.
Wow. I become deaf.
You wanna listen to that?
Damn. Miss, are you in a trade? It's gonna be profits.
Actually, I am.
You took the shots from just now?
I took the shots on the 4-hour close.
Feel the wick.
Yeah, almost end the entry. 3 pips stop.
Damn. Sick. Yeah, it was lower highs on the 4 hours, quite clear. There wasn't even a top wick, man. You would have just had to trust yourself and just go in really.
Watching the 1 and the 5, and then because for me that 4 hour is like a reversal sign, the way it closed. If you look on the top as well on Monday, we missed that.
Monday.
On top. Yeah. So the first one was, sorry if my washing machine is gonna be loud.
No, it's not loud.
The first one was here, but this is why I was gonna secure at the support. That's my target. This is where I secured, like at the bottom. And then the second one was here on Monday, but I never took it. That's why. It was a small risk. It was very risky, I admit.
No, I don't think so. I think it was a good trade. Because, right, if you look at this entire thing down, right, this thing pulled back, correct? The bullish candle pulled back. But when it pulled back, it didn't even... Okay, so let's say you take this thing and you think it's gonna... Because it's a bullish engulfing, you think it's gonna go up. Right? Then the next candle didn't even bother to go even like halfway up. It's just disgusting.
I need to just pause my washing machine and I'll tell you.
No, it's really not that loud. I can barely hear it, to be honest.
That's nothing. It's resting now.
Yeah, so the way I see it, right, is if we use what he taught us, this not
Yeah.
broken, this thing is still valid.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
And-
when this thing closed like that, right, left a wick, this was like, damn, this shit is going to come down.
Initially I wanted to fill the wick and then secure there, and whatever happens after is a bonus, whatever. Because my risk was very small.
Mm. Yeah.
So. Oh. But
Where was this?
it just rejected the 78 and the minus 27. What? Did you not want to take it
Just now? When I saw that?
on the 4-hour close?
Oh, I wasn't looking at the charts at that time.
No.
I'm trying to find the 4-hour high. I can see the structure on the 15.
Even 1 hour barely closed with a wick. Like it was bullish, but it didn't have a wick. Almost like a nipple.
This was a fake up. The way I'm reading the 15-minute, right? Highs or sellers.
Yeah.
This area broke out again. Repeat story. And this thing faked out, came back in. The 4-hour is here, right? If you are trading the 4-hour candle and looking for like structure to see on the lower time frames, this is lower high. So even if you took this on the 15 with structure, you are safe above the 4-hour high. But you took some already?
Already, yeah. I took some here. And then now I've got the runner. I'm at BE, so let's see.
Yeah. Which is a bit tricky. Sophia, don't give up. I think use the streams, right? Send in more of your charts so we can help you figure out where is wrong. Because now you feel like giving up because there's no feedback. Like all you hear is like from my point of view what I see on the charts. But flip it another way around. If you want, you can send in your charts and then we can have a look together to see what part of your entry or your management is wrong. That way, at least you know where you're wrong. You're not just guessing. I might not be right, but there are a lot of eyes here that can help you look at it. So, you know the communities. Whoever's a negative Nelly, they are not around anymore. So, it's quite a safe space if you want to share. Angela Mesa went short. She said short just now. There's no longs here. And I don't think Mesa will prata her trade.
No, Angela, just the cells.
Yeah, so if let's say you trade a strategy that is different from mine, right? I'm pretty sure someone here will understand what you're trading. So you can all help each other. Don't worry. But where's that's the point, right? It's like what Bruce Lee said, I think. You practice the same kick thousands of times, then, or whatever the code is, then you will be like the master of it. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 1 hour candle to close also, Ethan. Ah, noisy. Jason, I kicked you before. Where do you enter the fake out though, swimmers? Tiago is both. I'm sorry, my background is very noisy. But swimmers, how do you take the entry? Like, what's the criteria?
I guess once maybe like a 30 or 15-minute closes back in the range. Maybe.
But he takes 10 eh. As soon as the previous... Wait, as soon as the candle engulfs the previous. So on what time frame? This one? Oh my god. Booms.
Oh, it's thunder. Nice.
Yeah. It's like thunderstorm now. This one. Maybe 6. Yeah, if it's 6 then it's probably the 30. How big is this? Ooh, so big.
But I think he kept it below the wick. Or just 10 pips stop loss. That's what he said. He do 10 for 10.
It's just a... I think it's a scalp back into the range.
Yeah.
Let's see. Ah. So the stop loss is just fixed. But do you wait for this lower wick to form? Like form first, then you enter? Or you just enter on the close? I don't think it's salary play. Salary play is break the high, right? Salary play is Raja Impulse Entry, right? His controller FX just gave it another name.
Oh, it's that.
Yeah, I think so.
Actually, no, yeah, it's that. I remember from the trading up video, I think.
So is it? I don't know. I didn't even bother watching the video. It's like halfway through I got so annoyed.
No, I watched the first few minutes
Damn.
and then I stopped. Attention span went to 0.
Yeah, same. I was focusing on
Shit.
no, like I think he was doing something with the screen. It was very distracting. And I stopped. Let's see. No idea. Yeah, swimmers. I think it's valid because if in order to break back, if price pushed up with momentum, right, to go back in, it has to have some kind of momentum. So the thing is, for it to have, it will have some residual effect. So I think the reason why you're seeing a bit of success with it is because you're not greedy with the TP. Like you literally grab that tiny bit that you can when it goes back inside and then you're done. But if you were greedy with it, right, then it might not have such a high hit rate. It's like it's just trading momentum, I think. And you're doing it at like a key area of structure. That's why it works, I think. That's the logic behind it, from what I can infer.
Oh, it manages to pull back to the 786. That's nice as well.
Did you enter this short cause of all the rejections? I don't really understand the entry. Yeah, Sophia, the Discord is no, there's a public and a private area, but there's a public area for discussions also. I do pop one sometimes. Oh, alkaline FX. Let's see. I think that time you said another idea of his that was quite interesting also. I forgot what it was. I follow him also. This one. Was it this one that you were talking about that time, I think? Earlier and entered one more time because of the rejections. Oh, okay. Okay. Aggressive, but should work. If you think it's short bias. Wow. Why is the stop loss so big? Jay, why is the stop loss here? Like, I'm not saying it's wrong, yeah, but there has to be a reason why you put it so far. Like for me, I think what I'm inferring from your chart is price broke, came back down, did some kind of retest at this area. I don't see any zones for you, so I don't know whether that's how you trade, but I think you traded it when it broke below this area. So if that's what you think, right, your idea is that price should not break above this in order to continue down, right? So this is your recent high and there's a level of structure here, so I don't really think it has to be that high unless you wanted to be safe. I don't know, Mesa. I'm not ready to sell it yet. Because right now this 1 hour candle, right? It
Yeah,
broke
it's
my
been-
previous 1 hour high, so he's a bit dodgy.
Yeah.
How to reduce the stop loss? Jay, I need to understand what is your entry or how you entered first. Then I can tell you maybe how to adjust. Because I don't know why you put the stop loss here. Maybe you can tell me first, then I can see your rationale. Because everyone views the market differently. Some people will even put the stop loss here, and then they write it down for a bigger TP. Nothing wrong with that. But it's just that this area here looks a bit weird based on structure, because this, if price were to test, right, it will go and test this area and then come down again, because this is previous support. That's why if you put it here, you're better off putting it here. Because if you're wrong, right, this breaks, this will also break. That's my perspective. Yeah, so it might help if you explain why you entered and why the stop loss is here. Then I'll help you to see if it needs to be improved. Small stop loss is not always the best because it depends on your TP and the way you enter also.
Washing machine done.
Oh no, that's why. It's the washing machine gang. Target. Jay, I think this is your trade. You need to know where you target. My target, I don't have a TP when I take my trades. So everyone is different. So if you have your trade like that, right, there is a certain area where you wanted to take profits. You gotta tell me where it is. You cannot use mine because we trade differently. So basically, before taking an entry, you need to know your stop loss, why you are entering, and where's your potential target area. These three you must know. If you don't know, then do not enter the trade.
Save your money.
It's like if you want to go to the zoo, you need to know how to go there. If not, you'll never end up at the zoo.
You'll end up at Alexis' house.
Yeah, you'll end up at like maybe somewhere else. Dodgy.
My house is the zoo.
Can I please analyze GU? I can,
No.
but I would like you to send your chart first. Because if I analyze and you don't take entries the way I do, there is no point. Can I please predict your future? Cannot. And they are not psychic. Market stupidity. Please tell you about gold. What do you want to know about gold?
Shiny, that's all.
Yeah. I think you are new to the stream. You might need to send your chart first. Like, I can do the analysis, but that's not the point of this stream. It's not a signal stream. If you send a chart, I'll be happy to help you have a look about your analysis and try to understand. Because the way I trade is different from you. So if I see longs, you see shorts, then there's no point of me analyzing the market. How do you make sure you are trading in the correct path? Trade with the trend. So it depends on your execution time frame and what type of trader you are. So if most of the time you execute on the daily, like the intraday price action, right, then just look at the 4 hour and below and identify a trend from there. So intraday price action 4 hour is usually enough for you to identify the direction. So far now price is downtrend. So then the next thing you want to do is just identify if you're coming into any higher time frame levels. So just be careful when you are near it. That's about it. I'm not saying don't trade it, but just be careful when you're near it. Can I review your gold swing buys? Yes, if you can send a chart, I will review. What am I looking for today? I want to sell GJ Spencer, but it hasn't given me a nice rejection. Yeah, the 4 hour close is coming soon. Can we buy Euro NZD? I don't know. You wanna send your chart? Send your chart, tell me why it's good for buys.
Bro, it's like they're taunting you.
Yeah, that's why it's freaking annoying. It's like, can they just zzz one time? It's like, zzz, zzz, zzz. Wow. I swear.
Sway?
I swear. Damn annoying.
Sway?
Shut up. I don't know, Andy. I think I never eat. That's why I'm hungry. Is my stomach growling? Mute me. Okay. Muhammad Mohsin. If I mute myself, there's no point of the stream.
Okay, bye. See you later, guys. Bye, YouTube.
Oh, my liver.
Why there's two Alexis on my screen?
Because I don't know. This 786.
What is this machine noise coming? This machine noise coming is called a drill. It is in my background that I cannot control. If you want me to end the stream now, I can. So that you don't hear the machine noise. But I think it's easier if you click the little cross on the top right hand side.
Say you wanna end the stream without saying you wanna end the stream.
No, I'm not going to end the stream because of this person. No one else is complaining except this person. This person is new, by the way. On the block 130. Does this tie up with another order block? I know blocks cannot just be traded like that. There's like a certain criteria to trade this. 1733.
1738.
She's on YouTube.
Okay. And
I'm like, hey,
Hey.
what's
up.
hello?
Uh, 30 minutes. $17.30 plus. Yeah. Muhammad, if you're not new, then you should know I cannot mute myself. Bruh. Uh, 1735. Probably. Like if you are trading blocks, right? Your order blocks. Then my question is, why not trade this block too? There's a block here, right? Block. Why must it be the bottom block? Because the way I see it, I don't use blocks, but I have a daily resistance here. I know people who trade blocks don't use this, but this area is, there's confluence for me, so it ties in with a block at that area also. So why not this block at 1743-ish? That's just my question. Muhammad, it's okay. We're just roasting you. All in jest. People who can take our gentle roasting deserve to stay. Buys above, sells here. Why sell here when you can sell here? What level is this? Like, is it a 15 or something? I feel like you missed the trade already on GA. Yeah, I am not sure why there is a zone here. This one. Help. I mean, like, the TP looks correct. Structurally, like, this is the nearest support, right? So, yes, just trade into this area. You shouldn't have a problem, but I'm not sure why the entry is here. I'll put a sign on my screen. No. Is someone drilling Bob the Builder? I'll wait for the 4 hour to close before I take my next trade, because now if this 4 hour closes like that, leaving this nice juicy wick, we can fill this. You just need to wait for the proper entry. So I'll wait for the 4 hour to close. Tell me where it wants to close in this range here, then I'll take my trade after that. Yeah, Jason, this one, right? I see it also. That's why I think the wick will fill. And then maybe it'll come a bit deeper. Because right now it's still lower highs. Like my structure hasn't broken to be bullish yet. I won't be surprised if it flies up for 100 pips later. Oops, I muted. And Jason, I won't be surprised if it flies later. This area that we're at now, right, is quite crucial. That's why if this... There's 2 4-hour candles that I'm really watching. This one now, I'm pretty sure this wick will fill. So if price goes up, doesn't break this high, comes down, fills the wick, doesn't break this low, I think it might go up in New York. Or if it doesn't today, then maybe next week. But this area here, I'm starting to watch out for it already. This 4-hour candle close, the next 4-hour candle close is going to give me quite a bit of info. So I'm just chilling, because if it does go up, damn, this move is going to be very big. So no need to rush.
The bot full margin.
What's this price? 153, 153. Will I be streaming New York session? Nope. There are a lot of people streaming in New York. I don't have enough audience to take it into New York anymore. So I just hang with the Zoom people. Because most of the people that come on New York session, right? The bulk of them just want to scout for a few pips, so I cannot offer that. Most of the time I'm just waiting. And to that, Aiden, I will wait. This is 300. I will wait. Remember that time Alexis trade, the one that went to the moon? Damn. Yeah, the reward is huge if you really wait for it. 1, 2, 3. I think today, yeah, I don't know who is streaming today, but probably Luke. Let's see. He's off already. How is it trading in the middle of the day? It's fine. It's just, I don't know. I'm used to it. It's just a adjustment of your schedule. Drop to 148.6. Wow. And then if it really comes down to 148.6, then you can still catch some more sells down. But there are quite a few like bigger levels in between. I see. Before it reaches 148.6, there's also this area here, 149.4. And right now, price is struggling to even break 150. 150 is this previous daily level, so yeah. I'll put up a box somewhere here. So overall, if we just look at the daily, this is quite obvious, it's still bullish. Ding, 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 ding. Higher low? Question mark? Go up? Ooh, I think the drill stopped.
Dinner break.
Hmm? No, they cannot drill after a certain time.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, this area cannot sell, Eden, really. This area very tough to sell, I think, if you are trying to catch a very big move, unless you just go like for me, if I sell this, I aiming the weak fill only. The bulk of my trade will be out by then already. Anything below this is bonus, cause this part I'm not sure. So I aim the most high probability areas first. Luckily they're below me then, Max. Oh no, they're back.
I think they heard you.
Wow.
Yeah, Alexi, it's not that difficult, my love. Oh my god, that's how I'll wake. Fucking
Mesa, do you not know how to mute it? Go click the name, then click the notification settings. Mute the top. Andy's gonna spam you. Andy, you really wanna play? You wanna play?
No,
Guys,
no.
do it on his trading view.
I'm gonna block you.
muted already. Now I can hear someone's.
No, that's my phone. Bruh. Looks like the needle used for sewing.
Martin, don't believe Andy.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Would this small resistance be an issue? Impulse entry once this high is broken. If you think that price is still going up, then you want to trade to this area above that, right? Like an impulse entry, then I don't suggest impulse entry at this time. There's not enough momentum. Impulse entries need momentum. But if you want to try, then yes, I think your structure, wait for this to clear, is safer. And you have a bigger range to the top here. This area, I'm not really worried about it. Because if you're entering an impulse entry, you already think that there is momentum. So momentum should break minor levels. That is the condition for impulse entry. I don't take it, so. And just FYI, there's not much momentum at this time. So you take it with care. Surono, please send Bitcoin to you. No. Please remove you from channel. Bye bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Alligator.
Why would we send you Bitcoin? Are you insane? I keep the Bitcoin for myself.
I don't have any.
What is the #1 best feature on paid trading view? Only the replay feature. Sometimes, Aiden, sometimes if I'm very lazy to on the software FX, right? I want to do a quick simulation, then I just use the replay feature on this. That's the only thing.
What's funny, Andy?
My life.
Wow. Al, do you think it might go up to 150, 480? Which is 50 fib on the 4 hour. Well, daily, sorry. Yeah, from yesterday's high to yesterday's low.
Is it 50 fib on the 3 hour?
I don't use 3 hour rate.
Damn, what about the
I think
2?
Alexi needs to go back to the waiting room.
Wow.
Racism.
Bye, see you later.
I don't know, in the morning when I analyzed this, right? I saw this level also.
Yeah.
500. I was looking at 600 actually.
Okay.
Because, I mean, those people that trade support and resistance, right? This is support. It could go up to that area also. Yeah. But it's not bullish yet to me.
But can't we say that this area has been retested already because of this week? I don't know, I'm asking, I'm not saying.
No, but now the end of the move you measured is after this wick was formed.
Okay.
Like this wick, right? It is the retest for this candle.
Yeah. And now it's a different.
Yes, yeah. And now this wick, right, also hasn't been filled. So there is a potential that will go up there, another lower high, then bam, come down again. To fill this wick here.
Yeah.
Now there's wicks on both sides already. So it looks
Why the week needs to be filled?
because okay, wait, I learned this. This wick on the lower time frame is a pullback. Let me show you. Let me put it side by side and find this candle. Andy, why you test me? You don't know the answer, meh?
No, I don't know. I'm new to trading.
Shit you. Let me find this candle. Where is this candle? Here. See? This wick forming like that is the pullback that happened here. This was the big candle. This one. Oh my god, so ugly. This one is this move here. Ding ding. Then this thing pushed down, creating this area here. Wicked up. So this thing is a pullback. So when price does this, and it pulls back, right, the next one will go into the area again during the pullback one. That is my understanding.
Okay, thank you.
Stupid boy, you don't. Am I not making sense? Just entertaining me.
And on that fib, that rejection was only on the 38.
Yeah.
Which, to be fair, my trade was too good to be true.
No, but the thing is, you managed it well, you see. Because at this area at the bottom here, it's very tricky because you are fighting with the higher time frame areas. Yeah. So I don't think you are wrong, like in how you manage the trade or even for taking it. Because there is still potential for it to come down. Why not? We are still anywhere in between this area, even if it comes down, right? We're still bullish. Yeah. So it doesn't mean that you cannot take the shots. It's just that you have to be
very careful. That's what I secured. That.
Yeah, you just have to be tighter with the management, that's all. You don't have to be bearish on the higher time frame to only take shots. You just need to understand if you take a shot, you are against the higher time frame trend. That's it. Doesn't mean you cannot take it.
And it's gone to the 50 already.
Please, what trade are we looking at? There is no trade.
There is no way.
There's me, you, L, and B. Max.
There's no trade yet. Unless you want to chase this candle, then you have a trade. There is no trade for me.
Wow.
Big candle.
Big candle.
There's no trade to me this week anymore. Wow, Jason. You are Jason.
Jason is Asian.
Oh.
That is Asian mentality.
Everyone is your enemy. Oh god, who said racist? She's Asian as well. Alexi.
Huh?
Is it time to kick Alexi?
Why you always wanna kick me? I'm just trying to clear my nose.
Don't use
What?
Andy's excuse.
I have rhinosinusitis.
No. Why did this bullish momentum come? Because it is a daily 78. So this is a strong level that a lot of people look at. For the bullish momentum, for the bullish trend to still be intact, price cannot break this, right? Retail traders like to take fibs like that. So it's just a reaction. So if you think this is valid enough for you to buy, then yeah, buy. Buy all the way to the top.
Milo.
Buy. It is a valid reaction. There is no news whatsoever. It's just price action. Orders coming in, that's all. Grant, I didn't put you on timeout. Let me see who timed you up. It's Andy. Andy timed you up. Snitch. Yes, I am Snitch. Yeah, I'm not buying this also. This looks like a trick. It's not ready for me yet. So I think based on these areas here on the 4 hour, if price still doesn't break this, nope, no buys yet. Swimmers, if you were trading that guy's thing, right? It was a buy all the way up, right? Maybe you can start to test close 80 and then leave runner. See where it goes. Do I know how to change the timing on the 4 hour candle? Yours seems to be closing 1 hour later. I cannot change it. These are the liquidity providers. They control what time their server is, and they control the 4 hour clock. So if you're using this one and your broker server time is different, your 4 hour will close differently. So you gotta find another liquidity provider from this whole list here who has the same as your broker and use that chart. Yeah, you cannot change it on your own. Yeah, same. Swimmers, I would think like just take more. Now you're just in the testing phase only. You're not really trying to aim for very big profits, right? It's just a testing phase to gather data. When was the last time I took a trade? Yesterday. If you see the YouTube description, I'm not a scalper. That's why most of the time I don't really take trades. But the stream is on. Not really for that, because I'm not a signals channel. It's on for me to help other people who wish to be helped. But if you're here for signals, I'm the wrong channel.
For our close.
Am I going for the next 4 hour to flip bullish before buying? The next blue chip, not this one, right? The next one, right? Am I more of a swing? I think I'm a mix. That's why I take very few trades. I'm a mix between a... Because I hold part of my trade as a day trade and I try to leave the rest as a swing. Keyword is try. The current one because it changed. Am I waiting for the wick below? Okay. The thing about this 4 hour candle, right? I would, if you want to trade this long, I will wait for it to make a lower wick first. And if it flips, right? Take it. Oh shit. You can take it up. But I'm not sure whether it will just fill this wick and not go for these highs. So, this thing, I see that price can potentially do this and then come down to fill this. So, don't really... I wouldn't suggest aiming anything further than here. If you want to take this 4 hour candle, flip. Kick them both.
I'm not a host anymore. Oh, I am. You're gone.
Do I just trade GJ? No, I trade mostly GJ and gold. But gold hasn't given me a setup yet. I'm long bias on gold, but right now, how to buy? I cannot buy it. I'm waiting for the pullback to be done. Yeah, blue chip, I still think the trend is bearish. That's why I am only confident to this area. I think GJ will do a lower high and then feel this. That's why I'm not buying this. Even though I know some people be like, ooh, strong bullish rejection. Nope, don't get tricked. I think this is coming down. Yeah, the 61 is my previous daily resistance area also. So I'm watching to see if it can hold. Other than that, I'm just waiting. What's Nick? Leak I know.
Nick means...
Bad word. Never mind, let me Google. It's a derogatory term for nerd. Oh.
I'm an old lady already. No swimmers. You were pretending to be me. I was watching.
She sees everything.
Oh, there's 2 swimmers.
Swimmers are multiplying.
Well, stay as 2 swimmers then. You fight between each other.
Oh man, we haven't played Among Us in so damn long. I remember that time when we were waiting for trades, we played Among Us.
The end of last year.
Yeah. And then some people got pissed off that I was playing games. Seriously.
Nah. They'd rather lose money on slow market.
We already made support on the 1 hour. Where blue chip? Are you on a different chart? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lisa farted.
You keep making rumors up about me. I don't have the power anymore, people.
Bluff.
Nena.
Bluff.
Okay lah.
Yeah, blue chip, I see what you're seeing. That's cool, so that's also quite valid.
Alexi.
This time you have overtraded.
Okay, he wants to play this game. It's fine.
Just make a Savannah, just make a note. Like why, I think figure out why you did it. Why did you overtrade? You've got to find the trigger so you can prevent it next time. Lexi, why are you panting? Are you okay, bruh? I think Alexi is crying.
Sorry.
So top. I think a backflip does take guts though. Oh, you flip wrongly, you'll land on your neck. Eh?
He's obsessed about it. He's asking everyone, can you backflip?
I can backflip in the swimming pool.
Oh, look at Andy's face. So baby face. Andy is a baby.
Bruh.
Wait, what's this? What's this?
Andy, actually, I like your hair short.
Bro, that's my pre-lockdown haircut.
He likes his hair short.
Bro, change.
Wait, I'm finding something better. Just wait. Can't find something better. Fuck.
What does it mean?
Oh, there he goes.
I think people in my neighborhood hate me. People are cutting grass downstairs now. What the hell?
Wow.
I don't know. Alexi's a bit crazy now. He forgot to eat medicine.
Bro, I'm very sure that he's going over my Facebook.
We were trying to replicate it this week and have had 2 bad days in a row. Losing trades are like part and parcel of probabilities. I think because you had that goal, right, and you're trying to chase that goal, when you take losing trades, you're like going further and further away from the goal. So I don't know if it works for you, but I just don't have a target because I find that having a target makes me emotional and want to chase that target. Because if your processes are right, that target will hit regardless.
And look at that.
You hair short?
Now look at the Lexi.
Bruh. Alex is going into the freaking waiting room.
Yeah, he'd wish that I was still host.
You're welcome, Savannah. It's just something that I realized for myself. I don't know whether it works for you, but it's just an observation that I had for myself. But you know the trigger already. So you can find a solution for that trigger. Or rather, when it's happening, you are more aware of it and you can prevent it. You didn't have the target mindset until this week. Ah, there you go. So you know what the problem is already. You got it. And you did really well without it. So like for me, when I hit my losing streak the previous time, right, it was because I tried to fix what was not broken. And then it messed with me. So yeah, there are times when like you try to improve things, but really in trading sometimes you really don't need to. Oh, Lexi not change. Kick. we take a break already? Have a good, slightly longer weekend.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Why can I not change my name?
Should be cannot. Oh, nah, okay.
I thought Alexei needs to beg some more.
Let's see. In the past, if you had already taken 2 trades but was wait for the day, you call it a day. Yeah, I think the thing we should be focusing on, right, is controlling the risk. Because when you can control the outflow, the inflow is easier. Yeah, but if you can stay away from the charts, right, and be disciplined, it really will pay off in the long run. Trading is not a short-term game if you really want to take it seriously and full-time. I think Alexi's not well.
Kick him, please.
Help
No,
sing it
please.
out.
You let them change their name, now they act like they are me.
Yeah, Savannah, like I think it's good that you like I want my channel to be like a safe area, which is why I'm like really anal about like trolls. Cause I feel like in trading it's already very lonely. And if you still have like negative people in your space, right, it's not helpful at all. So if you want, hopefully this space helps. But it's good that you can be accountable. Like, I don't need you to report anything to me, neither does anybody in this stream, but if it helps you to say out loud, right, to hold yourself accountable, then yeah, use the stream to whatever helps. Is GJ doing the same thing on 7 April? I think so. That's why I don't want to sell. I don't want to buy.
Hello.
Shut up, Alexei.
Okay, time to change again.
The Zoom chats were discussing about $300 account 0.03 lot size. Wow, shit. That's some serious over risking. No, not that not that inflow operator. I think over trading, over risking, right, is a common problem. But to solve it, it's very easy to say stop over trading, stop over risking. But you need to understand why you're doing it. Is it because like the gains are not enough? If it's not enough, why? What are you chasing it for? Like there has to be a reason why you're chasing the money. It's not just because I want more money. It's deeper than that. So if you understand that part, right, you'll find it a lot easier not to overtrade. Because it's kind of counterintuitive. If you overtrade, right, you go further away from that financial goal if you really think about it. Yeah, so think about like why. Then it might help. I don't know, that's my suggestion. GU trade idea, let's see. Alexi, I'm gonna kick you.
Why?
Change your picture.
Wait, give me a sec. And
Can you
it's
not change it inside the waiting room?
no.
Oh. Break, retest, new low. Let's see. Okafor, I don't think it is ready to sell yet. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, it's not ready to be sold yet. Look at the bullish candles. Not ready yet. So as you approach this, yes, you can start looking out for this retest here, but so far no, the buyers are still trying to push the price up. So you gotta wait for a nice, like, strong bearish confirmation, then you sell it. I think when you took the picture, it was it looked like it wanted to engulf, but no. Wait for the close. I doubt this is coming down yet. Not yet. You stopped over risking when you got. What pairs do I recommend to scalp besides GJ and Go for Forex beginners? To be honest, if you're a beginner, I don't really suggest that you scalp. But if you're asking about volatile pairs, then yeah, you can go for like GA, GN. The pound pairs are quite volatile, but I really don't suggest. Having a winning streak is also bad because you always think that your strategy is the holy grail. Yeah, it's like a reality slap when you have the losing streak. It's like, hey, check yourself. my keys are like almost there. It's less bucks now. But to be honest, I feel that the keys are just like tools only. If you really have the control within yourself, right, the whatever tool you use just helps you calculate faster. That's all it does. But do you need it? No. Just makes things faster instead of punching in your numbers on a position size calculator website.
Bruh. Why you put me in timeout?
Cause you are an imposter.
Wow. Racist.
No?
Lexi, we're not going.
Huh?
We're not going to Vista anymore.
Where are we
Why?
going? South and North Sea? Are we going to swim? She lying. She just told me to come.
Yeah, she don't want. I helped her answer. She told me yesterday.
That's the answer. I don't want to see your face.
Yeah, I
Wow.
help her to say.
Wow. Mrs.
Also helps that it doesn't open lot sizes that are over risking when using it correctly. Yeah, I've seen people in like the Slack group that just punch in multiple trades a day even though they have the magic keys, so that thing cannot stop you from taking a trade, sadly. It has to come from within, I think. It just helps you count faster. Anyway, my friends, I'll be leaving at this half an hour close. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'm still short bias on this.
Let's fucking go.
No. Bye bye. Nah, go. GU overall trend is bearish. 4 hours making top wick to fill the lower wick before. Let's see. Yes, it is. But do you have your entry signal? You need to know what's your entry signal. Even though you see a potential for this to fail, what is your entry criteria? If your entry criteria is you wait for this 30-minute to close, whatever candle formation you need, or just bearish is enough for you to take it down, then you need to wait. Doesn't mean there's a wick means it will 100% fail. You may not fail immediately. Oh, the trading world. You are the one that sent that thing. What is that video? Are you Sam? MT4 to ME broker live data. Check your video. I think I need to kick you. Unless you can tell me what that thing is, because you sound like a bot.
How to join Zoom and then promotion.
Yeah. The hell.
Can't join Zoom anymore. This is restricted area.
Yeah, it's restricted area. Yeah, has restricted it.
Restricted it.
Restricted it.
Oh. And you stop moaning.
Bro,
Bruh.
why do you still keep my picture?
Because you still got mine. It's the law of equivalent exchange.
Oh shit, wrong person. Sorry, blue chip. Not you.
You just put him in timeout.
No, I
Oh.
didn't. I want to see that video again because I deleted it in the morning. But it
Bruh.
looks like a promotion to something else. Actually, you know what? Doesn't matter. I can YouTube and find it. Hey, I can hear the
Wow.
radio, Andy.
Wow.
MT4 to ME broker. How does the live data help me? Damn. I think it was this video. How does this data help me in any way to trade?
Shorty, my little baddie.
Okay. I think this looks like a promotional video, right?
Let's see here.
He's trying to sell that MT4 can copy directly to this. Okay, block.
What
kick.
is this?
I don't know. Trash.
Damn.
Sam Smarty. Bye bye. Trading World. Bye bye. The only adverts can be the one that I place on YouTube. Dictator.
Bruh.
Yes?
Wow. Why you bully me?
What? I was trying to find your name to put it back.
Oh my god.
Oops. I put it back too late. And they attacked you.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm going off YouTube already. You can fight with him in the Zoom.
Oh no, don't. Let him have it back again, and then we do our stuff.
Eee.
Bro.
What stuff, Andy?
What stuff, Andy?
Don't try to reverse your scandal.
You little shit.
When am I considering longs on GJ?
Why no Iron Man?
Cause
Wait, Spencer Fib.
this is the Iron
from-
Man candle.
Spencer Fib from here, I think.
Mustafa, if you really want to take the longs, right? I called it out just now when this... Wait, Alexi, hang on. When this candle, this 4-hour candle, right? If you really think that this is longs and you trust this rejection here, then once it flips, right, you can take it up to this high or this high. That's all I can see for now, that I'm confident in the long space. Beyond this area, nope. That's why I'm not taking the longs. But I can see a potential that price will come up here first, somewhere around this area here, and then whoop. So I'm bearish still. I am going to make long trade. You think it's okay? If you think it's okay, it's okay. Because I don't know how you trade, I cannot tell you unless you send the chart. Because you already took it. If I tell you it's not okay and you close it and then the next second it flies, I'm screwed. I can only tell you I see potential till this area here. The 4-hour wick, 150, 600 potential. Looking at the weekly candle, we don't know how far the candle will back. Yeah, exactly. Like, I still think there's still room to move down. This wick on the weekly is interesting. It filled half. It could still come down a little bit more, feel a little bit more of the weekly candle. That's why I'm not really rushing with the buys. Plus, if I look at this trend, my god, so bearish. It hasn't even broken this first structure for me to even feel safe buying. So I'm not long biased yet. On the higher time frame, that is. We took buy at 150. 235.
Okay.
And you're going to take profit at one. Let's see. You took 150, 235. Take profit 150, 540. Looks. You probably traded the breakout here then. From this area breakout. Yeah, I think it's safe if you aim for this area here. Should be. If the longs are still valid, it should come somewhere to this area. So that's all I'm confident of. So just manage your trades properly because this is still quite bearish. Yeah, Chem, you can send the chart. The way to send it is in the YouTube description. Do I think it is a retracement from 25th March bull run? 25th March. Yes, because it's a 78.6, and I think that's why this thing is bouncing like that. I see the 78 also. Tumor, I think you are trolling. I will not reply that. How do you define better? Are you better than Raja? Are you better than me? No one is better than anybody. Because there's no fixed definition of what is better. How do you grade a person? Trading skills. The bins make a difference, the color of the bins.
It's like one is for
Recycle.
recycling, one is for like garden waste, and one is for food waste.
No, but different bins have different colors for different areas.
No lah. He
Oh
think
no.
Oh. Che. I thought yours was special.
The bins are all the same color
Oh, I
in
thought
the same areas with the same meanings or the same things.
blue is recycle, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, same for us.
and then black
Green is
or
rubbish.
black or like the small brown bins are for like the food waste, and then green is the garden waste.
Mm.
And the small one for the food.
only thing he saw in the picture is the bin.
Got you. Myself,
Yes, Andy.
am I correct?
No.
Yeah.
I told you the other day you were.
Let's see this chart. Take profit one.
Finish this chart first.
No, Mesa cannot talk. Take profit one. Take profit two. Yeah, Chem. Your entry was. Where's your stop loss? That's the thing. Because I think you got the breakout entry here. Then where's the stop loss? Is it this white line? Nah, it's not a noob chart. It's just if you can put the. Because I remember you just told me your price. So if you can put this little thing on it, your entry will be easier. And if you can explain why you took the trade, then I can help better.
It's Friday. It's cleaning day. Every Friday, you little shit.
Above the white. Yeah, see, Jam, if you use this thing, right, then you can put where the stop loss is. Then it's easier for you also. Let's see. Above the white line. Yeah, then it's fine. So I think you... Ooh, so tight. Wait. You took the breakout trade. Stop loss here. Did you enter on the 1 hour? Because if you did, then the 1 hour structure is a bit funny. Unless you use the lower time frame to enter and you use some support or resistance structure to place your stops. If today's daily candle goes yesterday's daily candle, let me see longs. Yeah, could be potential, yes, and then it will break above this level here. This area I marked it up like 150, 600 because it's like a previous daily price came down support, then became resistance, then went up, became support again. Now it looks like it's resistance, so if price can close above this candle, yes, maybe the longs have started to come back. Then next week we can look for longs. Yeah, if you're in the trade now, right, just understand this timing is very slow. So don't panic and close your trade. That's all I can say. If you took the trade, trust your analysis to hold. Unless price tells you otherwise that you are wrong. Okay. There are no more questions. Thank you for your time, YouTube. I will see you on Monday. Be careful trading later. Yeah, doesn't look like there's news, but be careful, it's Friday. Damn, Andy's blocking everybody. Okay, bye bye YouTube friends. Andy was waiting damn long.